Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple home remedies for glowing skin. Let's get started. For our first remedy, we'll make a honey and lemon face mask. You'll need just 2 ingredients, honey and lemon. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon. Apply it to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask helps brighten your skin and reduce dark spots. Our second remedy is a turmeric and yogurt mask. You'll need plain yogurt and turmeric powder. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply it evenly on your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off. Turmeric is great for its anti-inflammatory properties, while yogurt hydrates and soothes the skin. Lastly, we have a cucumber and aloe vera mask. You'll need half a cucumber and fresh aloe vera gel. Blend half a cucumber and mix it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this cooling mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. This mask is perfect for hydrating and calming your skin, giving it a natural glow. These are my top 3 home remedies for glowing skin. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips. See you next time!